Hey, what's that, Sat? This is the letter O, and it makes the O sound. Let's get learning.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Lucre and welcome to Learning with Lucre. I've just changed the light bulb, so I'm just testing to see if it works now. On, off, on, off, on, off. Oh, hi there! Ah! Oh!
Oops, sorry. I hope I didn't scare you again, Mr. Lucre. However, I'm here to teach you today's sound. This is the letter O, and it makes the O sound.
The O sound?
To make the O sound, you have to push your lips forward as if you're trying to make a circle with your mouth. Listen to Mr. Lucre and see if you can make the O sound.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Now you know how to say O.
Wait! But how do you write the letter that makes the O sound?
To write your letter O, start in the middle. Bring your pen round. Keep going round all the way back to where you started. Let's have another go.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the O sound, Mrs. Lucre. But it's challenge time. There are going to be 5 objects, and you have to find all the ones that begin with O.
Alright everyone, I'm going to need your help. Let's see which objects Sat has for us today and find all those things beginning with O. Let's go!
Let's see which object Sat has for us today. We have tape, an ostrich, an orange, a pen, and an octopus. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with O. Let's see which things begin with O. Orange, octopus, ostrich. Amazing everyone, we found everything beginning with O.
Wow! You passed my things beginning with O challenge. Now it's our reading challenge using the sounds we have learnt. I'm going to show you a word and you have to sound out the word and read it. I know you and everyone at home can do it. Remember to look out for those sound buttons. Here's a little clue. The O sound might not be at the beginning of these words.
Okay everyone, here's our first word for today. Let's use those sound buttons to help us sound out the word and blend those sounds together. Are you ready? T, O, P. T, O, P. I've got it. Have you got it? It says top. Sat, it says top.
Whoa! Well done, Mr. Lucre and everyone at home for sounding out and blending those sounds together. I've got something new for you. I think you're ready for a 4-letter word, Mr. Lucre. You will definitely need the help of everyone here. Good luck!
No way! Everyone, we are going to sound out our very first 4-letter word, which has the O sound in it. And here it is. Remember everyone, let's use those sound buttons to help us sound out this 4-letter word. Are you ready? Because I am. P, O, N, D. This one's a bit trickier. P, O, N, D. One more time. P, O, N, D. It says pond! Sat! It says pond!
Whoa! just sounded out your first 4-letter word. Well done, everyone. I can't believe it. Well, actually I can, because you're all superstars at sounding out. On that amazing note, I've got to go now. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye, Mr. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sat! Wow, thank you, Sat, for teaching us all about the sound. And thank you to all of you at home for helping me sound out all those words today, and even our very first 4-letter word. But I've got to go now, so let's recap what we've learned today with Mrs. Luqui, and I'll see you next time alongside Sat. Bye, everyone!
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter O, and it makes the O sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the O sound in these words. Olives, otter. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we have learnt. P, O, D, pod. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the O sound. Obviously,